For me, it's very important to be in the front of science, and ISSCA allow us to be in the front row of all medical doctors in the world.
It's been a long road, but we finally are able to do the grand opening of our clinic, which is going to be a beacon for the expansion of regenerative medicine in the region.
Why are we here? It's because on day 2 of these ISSCA trainings, you get to do hands-on therapies. So if you have not been to one of our trainings, you have to come so that you can truly learn, both within your mind, your hands, and application, on how to utilize these cutting-edge next-generation therapies.
And I really want to upgrade my information, my knowledge, and nothing beats than ISSCA, which really gives me heads up when it comes to all the new information. And from yesterday's experience and today's practicals, I know for a fact that I'm quite leading ahead in my team.
It's been an honor to be part of a group of pioneers in both cell and gene therapy, in regenerative medicine. And we're very grateful for the opportunity to be part of ISSCA 2024 here in Dubai.
Now all of our delegates, our students are eating lunch, we're having a good time, and then we're going to do our award certification or award. We're going to have some recognition for our wonderful speakers, and then we're going to cap off the night with our amazing gala dinner at a steakhouse.
We've been very blessed to be able to come here and meet all these great people, hear all these fantastic stories, and we're very happy to continue our collaborations with ISSCA.
And I'm so excited and so grateful to have done the training and the hands-on, and I'm going for more.
We are sharing knowledge about cell therapy. We are so happy to be here. Thank you so much for watching.